GeForce Now on Steam Deck just got better because NVIDIA just released a beta install script that should make the installation a lot easier. I will show you how to set up GeForce Now on the Steam Deck, how to make it look good, and I have some tips for you at the end of this video, so be sure to watch it till the end. It's ROMB360. To install GeForce Now on the Steam Deck, just go to desktop mode, open a web browser like Google Chrome, and visit this link you can see on screen. No worries, I will leave all the needed links in the video description so you can copy and paste it. Also, thanks NVIDIA for sending a GeForce Now Ultimate code. Just download the install script for Steam Deck at the bottom of this page, and once you've downloaded the install script, first extract the zip file. By clicking on the script GeForce Now setup and select execute to launch the script, which will open with the following dialog, and then click yes to execute the install script. The script makes sure you have Google Chrome installed and then configures everything you need to launch GeForce Now from Steam Deck's non-Steam game section in gaming mode. But before we go to gaming mode, let's first make everything look good. Open a browser again and go to this website. Then at the search bar you can type GeForce Now and you get to see a lot of different backgrounds and logos. Choose a vertical and horizontal one you like and download them right here. Then open up Steam from the desktop, navigate to NVIDIA GeForce Now, which should be visible in your library, then do a right mouse click right here and set up your custom background. Just select the artwork you've just downloaded, and if you can't find it, make sure to adjust this to PNG. Then do the same for the logo. Once executed, from the desktop, click Return to Gaming Mode. In Gaming Mode, navigate to your Steam library, then at the top of your screen, go to Non-Steam Games, and you should be able to see GeForce Now. When you launch GeForce Now, you can log in and use a free or paid account that have different benefits, which you can find on their website, like longer play sessions or better resolutions at different prices. But I won't bore you with the details, you can just check the link in the video description for more information. More important things to know are that the menu itself looks good and the games play fantastic. You just need to log in to the platform of your existing library like Steam, the Epic Games Store, Ubisoft Connect, the EA app, GOG.com, the Microsoft Store including some supported Xbox PC Game Pass titles, and Battle.net. The cool thing is that you don't need to repurchase the games you already own, and in my opinion it's the way it should be. Another pro is that you don't have any large game downloads, updates and patches because GeForce Now games are always up to date. So instead of waiting, you have a bit more time to play games. Furthermore, GeForce Now does the heavy lifting. That means mostly the graphics will be better than playing it natively on the Steam Deck, and same goes for the battery life. Overall gaming looks great and plays smooth, but that doesn't mean it will always be perfect, because everything will depend on the quality and speed of your internet connection. Just keep in mind GeForce Now on Steam Deck is still in beta at the time of filming this video. But to make things a little bit better, here are some tips that might come in handy. For example, if you want to use the trackpad to control the mouse, you need to adjust the Steam controller settings. After launching GeForce Now, press the Steam button, go to NVIDIA GeForce Now, then go to controller settings, find current button layout, and change the value to gamepad with mouse trackpad. Just make sure to press edit layout and change the click for the right trackpad behavior to mouse by selecting the left mouse click. And if you want to bring up the GeForce Now streaming overlay, you can long press the start button or menu button, which will display some useful information like the FPS and ping. Also, touching the Steam Deck screen will act like a mouse click or trackpad. And if you want to use the escape button, just press the Steam button and left D-pad at the same time. Also, some games like Genshin Impact require you to enable gamepad input within the game settings. And if you encounter any issues or want to set up GeForce Now manually, NVIDIA made this article which might be helpful. I will also leave a link of that for you in the video description. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If so, I hope I earned a like from you or even a subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more helpful content, click here to watch the next video. See you there.